Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi. I have a fun Christmas tags today. It's fun because it's shaker tags. I know a lot of people love shaker projects. I will be using Mama Elephant Snow Angels stamp set, and I already went ahead and stamped these images, cute images with Versafine Onyx black ink, and I also fussy cut them off camera. As always, I'm going to color my images with my Sequin color wheel brush markers, and these markers are really good for coloring images like this. I will speed through the coloring process and I will be back when the coloring is done, or you can skip here, you can skip the coloring part. And here are my images ready to go, ready for my tags. The tag die that I'm going to use is the My Favorite Things Trendy tag die set. So this is the one. I already went ahead and die cut my tags from 6x6 paper pad from Michaels, and I also die cut the frame, and I also cut some of the clear acetate. I'm going to stamp this snow angel image. I don't know what you call that one, but I'm using Versamark ink to stamp this image on. I'm using DURALAR acetate, and you can hit emboss on this acetate, so that's a good acetate to have for embossing. I'm gonna leave a link of that acetate that I'm using in my description box below. So what I'm doing here is I'm pouring some of the Wow Opaque Bright White embossing powder, and I don't mind if the embossing powder is sticking everywhere because it's, for me, it's snow, and snow is like that. So I don't mind if there's like excess embossing powder on the acetate. And now I'm going to stamp my sentiment and to and from on the back of the tag. I die cut another tag to go on the back of the front tags, and I'm just stamping this ones with Versafine Onyx black ink. I always I always confuse with Versamark Versafine. So I'm just going to do that, and then um, I have my frame here, and I'm just adding the um, embossed acetate on the back of the frame, and I'm using double-sided tape. I use double-sided tape instead of liquid glue so the glue doesn't ooze out of the frame, because even if sometimes you add a little bit of liquid glue, it's still ooze out from the frame. So I'm just trying to be safe um, with the liquid glue, with not using liquid glue. And here I'm going to add some of the shaker sequence on the tag, and then I'm removing the release paper, and then I'm going to add the frame and on the tag. So I added foam tape on the back of the frame with the acetate, and then remove the release paper, and I will add some of my sequins on top of the tags and adhere my frame. And this sequins here are, I don't know where they came from. It's there on my stash, and I'm just using them. And now I'm going to adhere my my images on top of shaker tags, and I'm just using double-sided tape again on the back of these images, because um, again, I don't want the glue oozing out on the tags. There you go. And then lastly, I'm going to add um, my twine. I'm having hard time talking today. So I have this black and white twine that I got from Michael's, and my Christmas tags are complete. I hope you like today's project as much as I do, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.